Hello, we are continuing with our 4 steps, and this time round we are going to discuss 4 steps of how biogas is produced. 4 steps of how to produce biogas. In 4 steps of 4 sentences, explain how biogas is produced. First of all, you should be able to tell us what biogas is. Then there are some questions that I will ask later on, like the advantages of using biogas as a fuel. Why is the biogas digester airtight? Why is water added to the organic matter during the production of biogas? And how is biogas production useful to a crop farmer? Those questions, the answers to those are coming up. But let's first look at the 4 steps. So we are beginning with defining biogas. What is biogas? You may not use my exact words, but your definition should be rhyming with mine. Biogas is a gaseous fuel that is produced by decomposing plant or animal matter in a biogas digester. It is a gaseous fuel obtained by decomposing plant or animal matter in a biogas digester. So the apparatus for producing biogas, that structure is called a biogas digester. Spelling of digester is T-E-R. It ends in T-E-R. Okay, step 1, what we do is we have to put the plant or animal wastes in a biogas digester. We have to put them in a biogas digester to form what we call sludge. Then 2, bacteria break down organic matter in a process that involves anaerobic respiration. Bacteria or anaerobes break down the organic matter in a process that involves anaerobic respiration. Then step 3, gases like methane. Biogas has many gases in it, but one of them is methane. The main gas, 70% is methane. Gases like methane are formed from the process of fermentation. Step 4, the gases are directed through a pipe to a collecting tank and will later be used for heating and lighting. I'm repeating the steps. Step 1, plant or animal matter is put in a biogas digester to form sludge. 2, anaerobes or bacteria decompose the organic matter in a process that involves anaerobic respiration. Step 3, gases like methane are formed from the fermentation process. And finally, step 4, the gases that are formed are directed through a pipe to a collecting tank and will later be used for heating and lighting. Question 1. What are the uses of biogas? Biogas is used for heating and lighting. Okay, we can use it for cooking food and lighting up our houses. It is also used to produce electricity. That's a bit complex there. The advantages of using a biogas: 1, it is renewable. 2, it's pollution free, it's clean, it's pollution free, does not pollute the environment. 3, biogas helps to maintain sanitation. Since we put animal and plant matter into, we stick it into that stuff, that thing, it helps to maintain sanitation. And then disadvantages. What are the disadvantages? 1, sometimes it's not easy to collect those materials that we have to use to produce biogas. And then 2, it is highly flammable. It's flammable. It can lead to fire outbreaks if poorly handled. And 3, it does not smell really good. It smells. It does not smell good. But remember, it does not pollute the environment. And then, why is the biogas digester airtight? Why is it airtight? To prevent the biogas from escaping. It is airtight to prevent the biogas from escaping. Then, why is water added to the organic matter? Why is water added to the organic matter? To ease the process of fermentation. To ease the process of fermentation and decomposition. And then, how is biogas useful to a crop farmer? How is biogas useful to a crop farmer? Okay, that stuff in a biogas digester, at first I called it sludge, but now after the process of producing biogas, it will be called the slurry. The slurry can be used and it can be removed and used to form manure. It can be removed to make manure. Bye.